Texan engines tuned up and running. They do that. They really do purr. And those big propellers that are out front there, you'll notice.
You know who's P38 that belongs to? Cool.
If you know the P40,
nice.
You look at the wing and the wing is.
So if you're looking for a sign, it's great. Aeronautical engineer, ships pilot, ground crew. I just absolutely love that sound. P38. It's muted. You compare it to like a Tiger Cat or something that just comes ripping through, you know. Down there and stop it. They're going to shut it down there at the end of the runway. The OB-10 representing not only Desert Storm, but way back to Vietnam. What's up next? It looks like the
SNJ, I think, is coming out next, and John is flying.
This is the legacy T-34.
Love that sound.
There. Even in the World War II, the sky. So these airplanes that you're about to see, the ones that are orbiting high overhead, they tell a story. They tell a story that is so important to the very fabric of our freedom and this great nation that we all call home. They're not here to glorify war. No, quite the opposite. They are here simply tell those stories of your grandparents, whoever it might have been, that fought far and wide across perhaps the South Pacific with the Marines. Tell
The announcers stand immediately.
Yeah.
Well, just make that to I'll just wait. Well, this was C's Foundation. What a hit there with Joe. How about that? Joe keep them going, because those stories, they're not just yours, they're all of ours. It is really something to see. When you go to see in the air, it leaves you with the
50 years. Good God.
firing guns, Rick. It was Pacific. The Marines figured it out. Look at Joe. Boy, he is having a blast in your sky right. Well, we're just in awe of the Sky Raider brought here by the Soaring by the Seas Foundation. They've got a number of aircraft, and it's just so cool they brought them all out here. Miramar in living, breathing color right here.
This is the
Here's some perspective, right? So we have the engine bomber. That was in World War II.
Bomb bay doors open this time.
like to lick the propeller, and that's just weird, you know? I don't understand that. But you remember when he stole the airplane? He was in the F4U just parked over there. Do you remember this? And Mr. These stories, don't let them die when you go home today. Tell them to your kids. No matter what it is, no matter how small it is, they were all part of it.
Stand by for this.
There we go. Pretty rare, like his. Yeah, so they have a. Oh man.
So I had an RC model, Corsair. It took me 3 months.
Yeah, this thing.
Beautiful.
You know, like the kid in me right now is going so. What a great film. Love
I just
that.
love the way it sounds.
Oh, I know.
I'm just reading what they wrote about us in the program.
Ain't it true? No.